Hi Snoopies! Today we will be making a granola with berries and cherries. You will need some oats, nuts, dates. I can really recommend this brand because they're so soft. You just have to pick the dates and cut them into pieces. Flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and those were frozen berries and cherries, and I warmed them up in the microwave. First of all, you have to add the dates to the berries and cherries. Hang on. Oh, that's elegant. Moment. Okay. Yeah, you cannot imagine the rest. The reason why I'm adding the dates to the berries is sweetness. I want it to be sweet. Yeah, and we want to use whole foods and no refined sugars. That's why. Just add as many as you want. It's according to your taste. Then the oats. And then the berries. Probably some less. Pumpkin seeds. And already ground up flax seeds, so you can get all the nutrients which are in there, which is not possible if they're not ground up. And now stir it all up. So when you're done stirring it up, you can spread it on a baking sheet and put it in the oven. See you later in 12 to 15 minutes. And here you see the ready product. The advantage with granola is that it's much more crunchy than regular muesli. With some oat milk. And now the taste test. Oh, it's really, really good. You have to try it.
Geil. Stell's doch zusammen. Muss mal langsam ein Video machen. Okay. Schon wieder Weg drauf.
And they even have vegan dim sum and bao buns.
Und vor allem die Dinge aneinander reiben. Ja, sehr gern für das Gelände. Ein Review. Und haben das Ganze dann gute 80er, ne?
The ice cream stuffed cake, the burning thing here, is not vegan though, it's vegetarian.
Dessert ist nur gut, wenn es brennt. Ja.
And this is what happens when you go out for dinner with photographers. And this will be a video what I eat in a day. This is for breakfast, watermelon.
Hey.
And today we're having Thai lunch. This is green papaya salad and vegetable tempura. I just had the most spicy papaya salad ever. All done. And now some fried tofu. And this is what I will be having for dinner. I never tried Tofurky before. This is my very first time. And for vegetables, I'm having zucchini and 2 tomatoes. Well, even raw, not cooked yet, I have to say, it resembles chicken a lot. plant protein first. Then I will add the zucchini and at the end the tomatoes. Oh god, guys, I just realized that it's low carb as well. What the fuck? And I'm also adding the no fish sauce as a condiment. And here it is, my stir-fried dish for tonight. This is dinner. This is vegan dinner by Tofurky and me. And this was also my very first what I eat in a day. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have, then please click the subscribe button and leave a like. It will be appreciated. Thank you so much, Snoopies. Bye.